All right, Eagles, you asked for help, so here we go. Several of you have said that you have no clue how to start, so hopefully this video will help you begin your remote learning experience tomorrow, August 17th. The first thing that you need to do is you need to have a copy of your schedule. So hopefully everybody's gotten a copy of your schedule, and a lot of folks have said they're very concerned because they don't know exactly how to read it. So that's what we're going to do next. Next, you're going to need to determine which are the fall classes. There's several ways to do this. On the right-hand side at the top, you will see the letters Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. These letters show which semester your courses take place. Q1 and Q2 are for fall. Q3 and Q4 are for spring. Look for the I, the lowercase I, in the brackets. Wherever that is under is where the semester that class is. So, here's your lowercase I. Make sure you look at that and see how it lines up and what letters it comes underneath of. After that, you need to determine which block your class is. So if you look on the left, you'll see numbers. And there will be 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, and 2 4s. Well, that's first, second, third, and fourth block. But if you'll notice the shading right here, the gray shading for this gray 1, this gray 2, this gray 3, and this gray 4. The gray shading is fall semester. The white shading is spring semester. And you'll notice on this side, they line up the same. Gray are fall classes, white is spring classes. Here's a sample. This student has for the fall, for first block, world history. For second block, animal science. For third block, health and PE. And for fourth block, earth and environmental science. And you'll notice they're all shaded gray. And then up here we have our Q1 and Q2. For the spring, all shaded white. Project Lead the Way for first block. English 1 for second block. Principles of Business for third block, and NC Math 2 Honors for fourth block. And you'll see our Q3 and Q4, and that's for the spring semester. After you've gotten your schedule, then you need to log into the ECPPS Launchpad. Many of you already know how to do this because you've used this quite a bit already. You put in your username and your password. Once you do that, the icons will pop up and you need to look for the Canvas icon, which is the NCIAM icon. You'll click on that and then you will see Canvas and your course is in Canvas and they may look something like this. You need to find your first block class on your schedule and go to that course in Canvas. I would suggest that you start logging in at 8:50 in the morning for your first block, just to make sure that you have enough time so that you're not running in at the last minute and get anxious and stressed. But if you still need help, a Google Meet link will be sent to your email at 8:30 a.m. This is a general help link for any questions that you might have. It will be live from 9 o'clock until 10:30, and it will be manned by a staff member at NHS, either an administrator or an office staff member to help you with all of the things that you need. We can do this, Eagles. Hang in there. Remember to own your Eagle pride, and we'll see you tomorrow.